Sean and Shayla keep waking up in the middle of the night with this horrible cough, and I want it to for cough. I'm doing something for cough, so the cough can do one. Thank you, boiler, for turning on just as I'm talking. That's really helpful. So in my Vitamix, mate, I have 3 Propolis Nature's Defender. Bees Propolis is like a natural antibiotic. I have the juice of a lemon. I boiled about 3 pieces this size of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. There was turmeric in there, apple cider vinegar. I mean, this is not going to taste great at all, but I'm going to be giving it to them anyway, because that's just how it goes. Maybe we'll put a bit of honey, because the sugar always helps the medicine go down. Ah, that's way too much. The medicine go down. Thing in there, but some idiot left it in here, so I turned it on and put plastic all into my smoothie. So now I no longer have one. I have to use this. In the most delightful way. Shawnee! Come.
What is that?
Medicine.
What medicine?
Come here.
What medicine smoothie is it? Yay, I can sit.
Right, you're going to want to just drink this straight down.
Looks too spicy.
Yeah. How's that? I know, but this is going to knock that cold right out of your head. It's going to knock that cold right out of your head.
Well, that thing was a little bit spicy.
It is spicy. It's because of the garlic.
Oh, I didn't want garlic in there.
I know, but... We'll see how you feel tomorrow. Because I reckon that garlic is going to kick that cough right out of your head.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
It is.
Well, when you get that other thing, and what other thing is in there?
Garlic, ginger, honey, apple cider vinegar,
yeah.
Propolis,
yeah.
turmeric, ginger, lemons. It was amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing.
And he's going to be taking a shot of this every 4 hours, except through the night. Aww.
Well, it's too spicy. Look, Mummy's still doing it. So do some of this. Also now. And Shayla hasn't said. No. Like that. It's not spicy, it's not spicy. Why is the lollipop behind me?
Well done. It tastes like crap, but it'll get that crap out of your system. It's an oxymoron juice.